Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app version and that your account has carrier launch permissions. This avoids permission errors later. Next, locate the shipment ID and carrier code you'll use and verify your 2FA device is charged and nearby. Open the Ptfs mobile app and sign in, then navigate to carrier launch on the main menu. Do not leave the login screen until the device confirms your credentials. Once done, make sure GPS and mobile data are active so location-based checks. You now configure the carrier launch by selecting the carrier and entering the shipment ID, then choose the scheduled date and time. This locks rates and available slots. After that, populate load parameters like weight, pallet count, and any temperature set points so the carrier sees exact requirements. Review automated pre-checks for documents, driver availability, and route constraints. If a check fails, address that specific item before proceeding, because the system blocks launches with unresolved issues. You finish by reviewing the launch summary carefully, then press launch and copy the confirmation number for tracking. Watch the status flow from pending to accepted to in transit, updating ETA as needed and using in-app updates to keep stakeholders informed. If the launch fails, check the detailed error log. Common fixes are missing docs or mismatched weight. If an automatic retry fails, retry the launch after correcting the issue and message the carrier and app to confirm receipt and avoid duplicate booking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.